And go. 1, good. Exhale 2, try to stay balanced. Exhale 3. Exhale 4. Exhale 5. Drive the hips back, chest back, good. Good. Exhale, good. Really work that balance. Try not to let it touch. Good. Exhale 10. Good. 11. Good. Exhale 12. 3 more. 13. 14. And 15. Now alternating presses. When you come up, yep, like that. But from a squat position. Ready? Set, alternate the press. 1, good. Alternate the press. 2. Alternate the press. 3. Alternate the press. 4. Alternate. 5. Alternate. Good. 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 Don't let those shoulders and chest come forward. Try to come back more. Sit back. Good. So your chest and chin is right toward facing me. Good. And stop.